Y'all in school? Right? Y'all in school?
No, we at work.
Why you gotta be like that though?
Because where else are we? Like
I don't know. Like you could be anywhere.
Okay, like I can also skill.
One. Embarrassing.
I'm from Ohio, bro.
You're from Ohio, deadass?
Deadass.
Bro, I'm actually also from Ohio. Yo, Sam, add me in a Discord call. If you think, like, wait, how old?
I fuck with your background though. I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you, bro. See the Coke?
Yeah, the Coke.
I'm doing Coke and Mentos in my room.
You did?
I will, like, at 500 subscribers.
Hey, what's your YouTube, bro? I subscribe.
Betty what? Right here.
Type it in for me, bro. I got you, bro.
Like that, with 2 T's, 9.
Alright, hold on.
Yo, W's in the chat. LAW, Ohio.
I just wanted to say thanks.
You said with 2 T's or 1 T?
2 T's.
Alright. I got you right now, twin.
I'm streaming right now, bro. Yo, everybody in the chat, spam the W's Ohio chat. Like, I can't lie, I show B's in Ohio. Who else is not in Ohio? A bunch of people are in Ohio. I love Ohio, I can't lie.
Hey, I just subscribed to you, bro. Hey, keep going with that shit, bro. You gon' tell you, bro.
Bro, W, bro. Thank you, gang.
Alright, bro. Have a good day, bro.
I don't know if you guys can hear. Alright.
Alright, you have a good day.
Yeah, see ya, bro.
Who's cool as hell? Like, why can't other niggas be cool like him? What's good, buddy?
It's poppin', bro.
You cool, bro? You cool?
Yeah, just chillin' for me. What you doing, nigga?
Shit, I'm chilling, bro.
Nah, that's cool, nigga. How's your day been going, bro?
Shit, been going good, bro. You know, making these videos.
Nah, that's valid. You a YouTuber or streamer some shit?
YouTuber, but like, I didn't get no video out yet. Like, I just not started this shit for real.
Nah, that's tough.
But I make music, though. I make music, so.
Bro?
Yeah.
I'll check your shit out. Let me see where I can find you on. Like, YouTube.
Shit, yeah, you can find me on YouTube. My shit, Kels Too Raw.
How you spell that?
KELLZ, the number 2, and then RAW. Go tap in, bro. My shit valid.
Yeah, you got, okay, the nigga got, wait, that's you right there. This one you, right?
Light skin, yeah, that's me.
Okay, I just suck, no bullshit.
Alright, safety. See, niggas like that, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I could do a better ghost.
I can't even see your ghost. Oh.
Hell no. Come on. My airflow ass. Hell yeah. Alright, but you have a good day though.
You too, bro.
Hello? What? What's good, buddy? He from some other.
I think he was searching for a man.
Who?
Right.
Tripping, bro. You think I should get lost, game?
Shit. Yeah, bro. What's good, buddy?
What's good? You are a nigger?
Yeah, I'm a dude.
Yeah, I mean, you are a nigger? You are black? Oh, so you're a nigger.
Alright, bro.
Hello, nigger.
What's good, bro? You good, bro?
You look, this is my hair, it's black like you.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, what the fuck?
You see, I am, this babe is like my shirt, you see?
Yeah.
I love to do colors like other, you know?
Yeah.
My colors like each other. So you and my hair are also like
The fuck is this, bro? Like what?
I'm playing.
Hey, what mic you got, bro? Your shit sound good.
It's the 5 Fine, as you can see.
Hell yeah, that shit fire, bro.
It's cheap and
Good.
really good quality.
Be in the vid, bro. Say what's good,
Yay!
bro.
Go!
Yeah. Say what's
Hello,
good.
chat. Sorry, I'm not racist. I was just playing. Hi.
Yeah, he was trolling. He was trolling. Yeah, but that's my YouTube though. I make music though. Go
Yeah, I
check
see. What type of music do you make? Do you like make rap music or?
that. Like rap mostly.
Nice. I hope you succeed, bro.
Hey, bro, appreciate it, bro. You have a good day, bro.
You too.
He was a chill guy. See, look, that's what I like, bro. He was a chill human, bro. That's what I like, bro. Y'all good?
You said what?
I say y'all cool.
Yeah, we cool. You should good. I never tried it before, and they good as fuck.
With that. Hell yeah.
Like
Where y'all from?
New York,
Brooklyn?
Staten Island. I'm from BK though, but I live on Staten Island.
Hell yeah. Have you heard of that dirty nigga Kaisanat?
You said what?
You heard of Kaisanat? That dirty nigga?
I know Kai Cenat,
Yeah.
the streamer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Ain't he from the Bronx or something?
I think so. No, he's not from the Bronx. No, he's not. Is he? I don't even fucking know.
Hey, nah, on some real shit though. Can I get your Instagram? You and the glasses?
Which one? Me?
Yeah, you fine as hell.
Thank you.
What's so funny?
Nothing, papi.
I get nervous on the guys.
Poppy, ooh, I like that. What's so funny?
Nothing.
What y'all on? Y'all chilling?
Yeah.
Shit. Where y'all from?
Georgia, you?
Ohio.
Okay, come pick me up, please. Thank you.
Why? What you mean? Like, what we about to do? You talk about come pick me up. What we about to do?
Me and her about to fuck your shit up.
What that mean? You about to fuck my shit up? What you on?
Papi. You'll ask questions. You'll see later. Actions will speak louder than words.
It's gonna be you, me, and her.
So a threesome?
It's gonna be a threesome, alright?
It sound like a threesome, but I don't know though, cause you talk about.
For example, hold on. You're gonna bend over. Like
What?
this.
No.
Got it?
Yeah. You can be better. You can bend over like that, and then we're gonna be like, go ahead, ready? We're gonna be like, we're like, ha.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe if you want more like this. Comment below. If you want more like this. But this is my first time making a video and like actually editing it, so not too much of my edits. But I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me if she was tripping or not. That girl was tripping. But yeah. And also, here's the song of the day.
Sipping drink, tryna forget it. To be honest, it's just not the same. I ain't thinking the same. Do you gotta do this again? 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 Hit it like, what are you getting?